Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this E-HEELP electric car jack and impact wrench that was gifted to me to do this unboxing and review for you. So the first thing, let's get this thing out of the box and see what it looks like. First of all, it comes with a really nice heavy-duty case, metal latches, that's pretty cool. And this thing is not light, it weighs a little bit, I'd say maybe 15 pounds, okay? It's heavy. Alright, so pretty cool, has a light there, and some other things here. I'm going to actually test this out and demonstrate it for you later. And then you have your impact wrench right here. Okay, helps you get your tire off. Comes with two different size sockets, impact sockets, your power cord goes in your power jack on your car. Alright, oops. Wind's blowing out here. I'm filming in the outdoors. Hopefully you enjoy this new setting. This is a emergency glass breaker and a little hammer and a seatbelt emergency cut tool. Okay, that's cool. And then this right here will allow you to connect this straight to your battery, and so if you don't have a DC socket to plug it into. So all this is pretty cool. You know, I've never actually used one of these before, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm going to get it out and test it up, jack up my truck, and see how it works, and I'll demonstrate that all for you. All right, guys, so let me get at that. All right, guys, so I'm going to be demonstrating this E-HEELP emergency car toolkit here for you. I'm going to be using my little Nissan pickup for the demonstration. So the tool has many functions, and we're going to be doing the jack portion first. So the first thing we need to do is hook this thing up, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and just connect this. Now this is a really tight fit. You're going to have to get it lined up and press it in there really good. And then we're going to go ahead and take this in and put it over in the power port of the car. Alright, so before jacking the car up, you want to set your emergency brake and chock your opposite side wheels from where you're jacking it up, both forwards and backwards, to keep the car from rolling when you've lifted it up. Now you're going to want to find the lift point on your car. On this truck, it's just right here. You see there's a support beam right here. I'm going to be working on the back tire, so you want to center that right on that support beam. Now let's go ahead and unscrew this as high as possible, or up until you meet the lift point here. So it comes up about 4 or 5 inches. Okay, it doesn't quite reach on mine, but that's okay. All right, so we need to switch this switch right here to jack mode function right here. If you want to turn the pump on, that's the pump function. So we're setting it to jack function right here. Okay. All right, now we're going to start the lift function here by hitting up. And you see, there it goes right there. And there we go. It has jacked the car up. You see the back tire is good 2 inches off the ground here. And that is how we could, now we can change the tire out if we needed to. I don't need to, so I'm not going to do that, but this is a demonstration of the jack. So when you're done changing the tire, just come over, you hit the down, and it will let the car down. Now the pump will not stop, the jack won't stop when it reaches the bottom. You've got to turn it off. Now you can go ahead and screw this down here. All right. So that's how you use the jack. Alright, so when you want to use the pump function to air up a tire, over on this side, little door here, press in, out comes your little air compressor. We have some extra fuses in here. That's for the DC power port, in case that blows a fuse, and you've got some different nozzles for airing up balls, basketballs, soccer balls, things like that, and a little Allen wrench here. So just come over here to the tire, take off the valve stem cover, screw this on right here, and now press up on the function switch. We've got our pressure readout right here. To speed it up, we need to start the car. That's how you use the pump function. Alright, so it also has a light function here. Alright, so if you need light at night, you have a flashlight here to help you change your tires by. Alright, so now let's try out the electric impact wrench for removing lug nuts. Okay, so it has 2 sockets but 4 ends. This is the smallest, a little bit larger, and then the largest right here. So you need to go through the one and find the one that fits your car. So we know this one doesn't fit. We'll put it back over here. There. So it is this one right here that fits right. And then we'll just put this inside here like that. Okay, we'll be using it just like this. Alright, let's go ahead and plug this in the bottom here. Lined up. These things take a little bit of force to get in there all the way, and you want to get it in there really good. Alright, left is to remove, T is to tighten. So loosen, tighten. So we'll put it on here and got to get it on there good, and let's see if it'll take it off. There we go. Boy, let's do that. That's pretty cool. Alright, works awesome. Let's go ahead and put them back on. Now, it doesn't really matter on small vehicles, but on large vehicles, you're going to want to use the same exact nut on the same exact lug, because they tend to get hot on big vehicles. But I always like to do that even on small vehicles, so let's go ahead and put this nut back on. Alright, let's put it on here. And let's take it off. Wow, boy, I tell you what, that right there is worth its weight in gold. I don't know how many tires I've bent tire on trying to get them off, and that thing just takes it off one-handed. Cool. That's awesome right there, buddy. I'm telling you what, that is awesome. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the E-HEELP emergency electric jack, impact wrench, and pump car kit. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, I'll place a link to this product in the description of the video for your convenience. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.
Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.